Stenell, the money therapist. Welcome back to my channel. You know, on this platform, we talk about financial literacy and entrepreneurship. And today we are going to talk about just together of how I have a healthcare agency and real estate and how they are really married, the two, because it's all about relationships. And I've been talking about relationship building in my past video because it's super important to build relationships. But healthcare, I have been a support coordinator, owning an agency, a support coordination agency owner for the last 10 years, since 2015. And let me tell you, it is so rewarding and so difficult at the same time. It's like a marriage. It is extremely, extremely rewarding because you get to help parents that, you know, it's hard having a child that is disabled and want to navigate all the different services. And this is where we come in. We help myself, my support coordinators that are the best in this world. And at a second touch, we actually help the families, anyone that is 21 and older, and their child is going from a transition. Transition has been my word, from school of special services, graduating at the age of 21, and now entering a different life. And sometimes we have people that are older that already graduated, but let's start from 21 and they graduate school and now they need a continuation in life of every day, getting up, getting dressed, you know, that same stability, that same move. When you think about that and you think about just, you know, just we as people, when we are used to doing the same thing and then life happened, right? It happened to me when I got a divorce, you know, and things happen. You know, I've been married for 16 years, but I was married before and I was married for 3 years. And I don't talk about that too much, but the transition was hard for me because I wasn't used to cooking. And I'm trying to get you to understand that when I got a divorce, I had to start cooking for my kids. And I had 3 kids. I'm a single mom. And now there's a transition, you know, that I wasn't used to. So when I'm dealing with families, it's like they're dealing with this transition of, and they're nervous. And when they're talking to me, they don't already have the education of, it's just like, there's a support coordination agency. Now you need a support coordinator. A support coordinator help navigate from, if it's a group home, or, you know, if your child is now in the house and eventually they're going to go in a group home, or if they are in the house and they're going to go into a day program, it's navigation, right? Same thing as real estate. It's navigation, divorce, death, all different types of transitions that happen. And I've been doing this for 11 years, working with families in support coordination. But I've been working with families for 2 decades, for 20 years. It's the same thing. Helping families, being a realtor, it's the same exact thing, because whatever it is, the end goal is to help get to that finish line, whether it's getting your child into a day program, college, any type of needs in that community, or if it's getting a home for the first time, or now you divorce and you have to downsize. Whatever it is, it's the same thing. And let me tell you, I am that person for you, because I've been working in the mental health field and just the field of helping people, financial education, for so many different years. Just understanding money and that money's not evil. It's the people behind money that don't understand money that can maybe look and think money is evil. But how you can really retire, and, you know, how you can really invest in the things that you want to do. Things that are honestly realistic. Like, these things are really realistic. But if you are really good at planning, or maybe if you're bad at planning, but adults plan. And that's the same thing as, you know, just navigating this real estate world, honestly, and navigating people and building relationships is super important. And I just want you to know that I am that person for you when you are scared, when you don't know if you are ready to sell, or if you, or maybe not now, maybe in a year, who knows, or if you want to buy a house, you don't know what your credit score is. I'm that person because all I have is time. I'm not that realtor like, oh, I need to go and get this sell. Don't need that. I need you to understand and make sure that you're making the right decision for yourself. I am, again, like, I honestly wear so many hats. Out of all these different things that I do, I am a therapist. Number one, I am a therapist. And being a therapist, it's really listening to what people need or what people want. I'm just listening. That's all. Nothing else. It's not for me to project anything on you. It's just to listen. So, as having these two, as being a realtor and healthcare agency, these two bridging them together, this beautiful, perfect marriage. Even with my, after school program, just being able to help families is very dear to me. And that's just what I wanted to just talk about in this video, is just like helping families and understanding that even as a realtor and seeing the videos that, Stenell is selling homes and Stenell is helping buyers, all these different things. I still have this healthcare agency that I'm helping these beautiful people over here that needs help. And I still have this child care agency that I've been doing also for the last 11 years, helping, making sure that these kids are off the street and families need help, and making sure that they eat after school and having dinner and all these different things. I cannot do this by myself. I have a team to help me with everything. So I just wanted to just, share a different part of me with you in this video, so you can just know who I am. That yes, I do own a healthcare agency. Yes, I do own a before and after care program, because my 10 years with my after school program is ending this year, because I don't want to do 21st century anymore, because I'm transitioning now into a child care, which is a little same thing, a little different, because the building is licensed. It's a little different. That's another video. And all these transitions, it's a lot. And I think that's my word for the rest of the year, the transition that we're going through. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it opened your eyes that yes, I am that realtor for you. Yes, I am that CEO, owner of a Second Touch, to help individuals with disabilities, and my staff, of the support coordinators, the work that we do. Yes, I am the CEO of Joy Making a Difference before after school program to help financial literacy and entrepreneurship and bridging the gap with these kids, because we always say all the time that no one's doing it, but guess what? I'm doing it because it has to get done. We want to try to create children to know more about money before they go to high school. So by the time they get that high school job, they are investing that money because they already had the education between 10 and 13 and they know what to do. So, I hope that this platform is a guidance and to help you in whatever it is that you need from me. If you need a real estate agent, if you need, someone to talk to as far as support coordination and helping your adult child navigating the system, or rather you need, child care, whatever the situation is. And if you need financial education, I am the one. I am here for you. Listen, this is what I do. I live, I breathe, I taste it, I eat it. I'm Stenell the Money Therapist. I'm here. If you need me, please subscribe to my channel, because again, I am not here for likes. I am here to build relationships. Talk to you soon.